How to care for mini succulents as houseplants. Keep your mini succulents healthy and looking adorable with these indoor gardening tips. Whoever first said, "Good things come in small packages," would love mini succulents. These tiny houseplants pack a lot of charm into a small package. Plenty of succulent varieties are naturally small, but the baby versions are about the size of your thumbnail. Once you see these trendy, teeny tiny indoor plants, you'll want more than one in your collection. Mini succulent care. Mini succulents need the same care as regular-sized succulents, only in tiny doses. Their soil and water requirements are less stringent than most houseplants, but like larger succulents, they require excellent drainage. Light. Ideally, mini succulents should receive 6 to 8 hours of sun daily, so a south or east-facing window is an excellent spot for these miniature charmers. Most mini succulents can grow in bright, indirect light without any trouble, but check the plant tag to see what the variety requires, and add a grow light if the plant needs more light. Soil and water. Mini succulents need tiny containers with drainage holes. Fill the container with well-draining potting soil formulated for cacti and succulents. African violet soil is also suitable. Because they're so minuscule, most mini succulents need only a few drops of water every week or two during the growing season. Water them only when the soil is dry. Monitor the plant for the first month or two, testing for dry soil between waterings to establish a watering schedule. When your mini succulents go dormant in winter for some and summer for others, double the time between waterings, they need very little water while dormant. Fertilizer. Your tiny plants need only a light feeding of a liquid fertilizer formulated specifically for succulents and diluted with water to half the regular strength. A few drops will do the job. A single feeding in spring when the plant is growing is sufficient. Never feed a succulent when it is dormant. Temperature and humidity. Keep mini succulents warm. A room temperature between 65 degrees Fahrenheit and 85 degrees Fahrenheit is preferable for them. Avoid extreme heat and cold. Most mini succulents are comfortable with an average household humidity of 30 to 50%. Don't mist mini succulents or put them in terrariums. Problems. Most problems associated with mini succulent houseplants are caused by overwatering. They must have excellent drainage and dry soil. Although they are susceptible to mealybugs and scale, growing the tiny plants in their preferred sunlight, water, and drainage environment and quarantining any incoming new plants will keep them relatively insect-free. If pests do pop up, use insecticidal soap or neem oil to eliminate the problem. The charm of mini succulents is enhanced by the novelty of their miniature containers. Regardless of how cute the tiny container you choose is, it must offer good drainage. You won't find miniature pots in most garden centers, but look online for tiny, suitable containers. Several mini succulents can be combined in a shallow container for an attractive display. Given room, the tiny plants are more likely to grow larger.